Hi, welcome to Cooking with Ruby. I'm Ruby and welcome to my kitchen. So today we'll be making very fast and healthy appetizer, jalapenos poppers. So let's get started. So let me turn on my heat on high and I'm going to add a tablespoon of oil. So first I'm going to cook my ground chicken and I am adding little bit of salt and pepper. This will take around 3 minutes. So this is done. So let me turn off my flame. So now we are moving on to our jalapenos. So first we are going to cut off the head and then make it half. And it's now completely on you how much spicy you want. If you want less spicy, then you can remove the veins and the seeds. And if you want more, you can keep it or you can leave it less, like I am going to keep. So like this. And here is the last one. So now our ground chicken is room temperature. So we are going to mix everything in a bowl. I have some cream cheese, some shredded cheese. So let's mix all these ingredients together and then we are going to fill up our jalapenos. With the help of knife or spoon or whatever you like, you can fill up. And here is my baking tray. I'm going to put directly on this. First we need to grease the tray a little bit and then start putting. So now our filling is done. We have to sprinkle some cheese on it. It completely depends on you how much you want. If you want, you can put more, or if you want, you can put lighter. So now we're gonna pop this in the oven, 400 degree for 10 minutes. Our cheese is melted and peppers are nicely roasted. So now I'll dish out. So time to taste now. This is so yummy. As always, if you like my recipe, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. One thing more, share my videos because sharing is caring. Love you all. Bye-bye.